Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Honey and I am here with a brand new video for you guys. Today I have a DIY video. Today I'm going to be spraying my Christmas tree that I have had for 4 years, and I'm going to be spraying it white like freshly dropped snow. So pretty much I've had this tree, as you guys see from the box. I've had this tree for about 4 years and it is amazing, you guys. I got it from Target. It's a 6-foot evergreen tree and it's pre-lit already, and it has been my ride or die for years, and it's just, amazing. So I kind of want it to be the last year that I have this tree, so I decided to spray it white. I always like a snowy effect tree, so I wanted to do that to this one today. And I was gonna spray it outside, but I'm gonna explain that in the next clip as to why I didn't, because of course you need like a big open area to spray stuff like this, because there is a spray paint that I'm gonna be using. Right now I'm showing you the tree that it's separated, because it comes separated in the box with 3 parts, the bottom part, the middle part, and the top part. So I just have them laid out on my couch, and I am pretty much gonna get into it. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Hit that notification bell, and yeah, thanks for joining. Alright, so hi guys, welcome back. If you hear stuff in the background, like TVs are on and all that stuff, so like I said earlier, I was going to do the tree outside. Is this focused? This is probably not focused, but I look crusty anyway, so I'm kind of happy it's not, but I'm sorry for the bad quality if it's not focused. So yeah, as I said before, I was gonna do it outside. However, today is super windy and extremely cold, so I decided just to do it in my hallway. So please excuse all the stuff that you see in the background. It's literally like outside my door, and it's just like storage stuff that we have out there that we don't want to keep inside the house. So please do not judge. It's just like summer stuff, like the cooler and some stuff. So yeah, but yeah, like I said, I was gonna do that, but I'm just gonna do it right here in my hallway, and that way too, like when the tree is dry, I could just bring it inside and not have to worry about breaking it down again and then bringing it up the stairs and all of that extra stuff. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so again, I'm so sorry for my background noise. I am doing this video in the day, so it is a little bit noisy outside. Right here I'm just showing you the spray that I'm using to spray the tree. This is called Snow Neige or Nige, if I'm saying it correctly. And I just got this can at Michael's. I think it was $6, and it's pretty cheap for a big can like this. I decided to get 2 because I didn't know like exactly if it was going to work for the whole tree. Alright, so here I'm just showing you the bottom part of the tree. Oh my gosh, I just spotted a little hole in my leggings. I was dead about to go outside with that hole in my leggings. Distracted much? So yeah, pretty much, yeah, this is the tree open. I was just showing you how it stacks up on each other. And I'm just gonna get into spraying the tree, you guys. So I'm shaking the can up. I'm showing you guys, what you need to do prior, and I just put on my hallway light so you could see properly. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of the tree just to show you guys the effect. Do you guys see? I was so excited when I was doing this. Oh my god, super excited. Here I'm just zooming in. I don't know why I did that, but I'm just zooming in so I can make sure that you guys see what's going on. But yeah, I'm just like, I was so hyped when I saw that I came out like that. It really looked amazing. So I'm just gonna go for it and just start getting into that tree, you guys. Alright guys, so pretty much I want you guys to just disperse the tree in the snow. You guys saw right there that some of the snow got under my fingernail because my nail is long, and when you spray it, you know how it goes, girls with long nails. But yeah, just disperse this everywhere on the tree. You're gonna have to spin the tree a bit. It does get a little bit messy, but like I said, if you have an open area, it's best to do it outside. That way you don't get, your hands all messy and stuff like that. For this part, I didn't even realize most of my head was in the video. Excuse my crusty head because I need like something to be done to it. All my roots are showing. It looks crazy, but yeah, just disperse it, guys. Alright guys, so here I'm just going to show you the middle area of the tree. This is the middle part that goes in the middle. So yeah, I'm just going to unfold it real quick. Yeah, here I just zoomed the camera out a little bit wider so you guys could see a wider shot of that. Oh my god, look at the hole. I'm sorry, like guys, I'm sorry. I have all my butt in the camera. There's a hole in my leg. It's really humiliating because this is on the internet, but it's so funny at the same time. So yeah, I'm just really like opening up the tree because I told you guys it was in a box. So you have to like open it up after having it in the box for a whole almost a year. So yeah, that's pretty much it. In the middle, it doesn't have like, you know how the bottom has like a the legs that the tree could stand. So in the middle, it doesn't have that. It just has like the part to stick in the tree. So I had to hold the tree up, that part up, so I could spray it. This part was really tedious for me because I had to hold it. And it got really difficult, but like I told you guys, it's a messy job, but it's so worth it in the end. So just get your hands dirty and enjoy it because it is a fun DIY. Seeing that, you know, white get onto that tree and it looks like snow, it's just amazing. So just enjoy it even though you get a little bit dirty. But yeah, like I said in the last clip, disperse it. Well, it depends on how white you want your tree. I wanted mine to be like white, so I really got into spraying that bad boy down. So you guys see at this point, my first bottle is done and I'm just going to get into the next bottle and get right back into that. My first can. But it really did use up a lot. Well, it covered a lot of tree because of course it's a big can. So that one can covered a lot of tree because the last piece that I have is really tiny. So this is totally worth it, you guys. Alright, I just wanted to stop for a second to show you guys like how all the snow got on my finger, but it's super easy to clean off. Like you guys see that I have the long nails, but you just take a rag and you wipe that off or wash it off and it comes off with a breeze. Alright, so now we're just gonna get into the top part of the tree, which is the last part of the tree. I told you guys this was so quick for me. This took me like literally like maybe 15 minutes tops to spray the tree and everything. So yeah, I'm just unfolding that down. I don't know why I didn't do that piece off camera because that piece was tedious to unfold down, you guys, with all its little branches. Like it was like, girl, like what's up? But yeah, I'm just gonna unfold that and then you guys saw the pattern that I did with the last two pieces, so I'm just gonna unfold that and then I'm gonna spray until it's all done. So keep watching. Alright guys, so pretty much you see that after spraying everything in this area, it is a little bit white from the snow on the tiles, but cleanup is a breeze. All you gotta do is take a wet rag, this is just a wet old shirt that I have, and pretty much place it on there. I'm gonna use my feet real quick so you could see how easy it is, and you just wipe that away. See, it just wipes away. And cleanup is a quick breeze. However, I do suggest if you have an open yard, a patio, somewhere big and open, you know, even your living room, which is open and wide. My apartment is a little bit small, so I have to do things either in my hallway or outside, but it is cold, like I said. And if you have somewhere open to do it, that would be fantastic. But I'm just gonna clean this up, and we're gonna let the tree dry for about an hour and a half, and then I'll show you the end results. Alright guys, so I went outside and let the tree dry for about 2.5–3 hours, and this is the end results, guys. Do you not just absolutely love how pretty this tree came out? The fake snow, it is dry. It's still a little bit flaky, but if you see I put my hand on it, just a little bit of mark. No, you know what? This was there from earlier, but this is the end results of the tree. And I absolutely love it. The tree is not decorated as yet because I'm going to wait until after Turkey Day to decorate my tree. I just decided to put it up now because it's gonna get colder, and I didn't want to spray it outside when it was cold, and obviously I didn't because it's cold today and I had to spray it inside my hallway. But this is the end result. I want to thank you guys for watching me while I do this DIY. I hope you guys try it. If you guys do try it, please let me know in the comment sections down below. If you want to see my tree decorated, please follow me on all my social media platforms. That is Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and TikTok. Mostly Instagram. I'm just gonna start saying Instagram, and you're gonna see a picture of my tree. Follow me. Please join the family, subscribe to my channel, hit that button down below and turn it gray, and yeah, join our family. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.